Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tish Marie, and today I am going to be doing a hair review on this curly wig that I have on right now. So today's video is being sponsored by UNice hair, so thank you so much to UNice for sending this hair over to me for me to review. So if you guys are interested in seeing me install and telling you my thoughts on this wig, then make sure you keep watching. Let's go ahead and get into this hair. This hair was sent to me from UNice. I think it's UNice hair. This is their newest wig because it's super easy and super beginner friendly. So this is 24-inch curly 5x5 closure wig. It is 150 density, but it's a curly wig, so we know it's gonna be nice and full. Show y'all the inside of this wig cap because it's different. So instead of having your traditional like lace cap, you have one that's breathable where you can like easily get to your scalp if you need to scratch your scalp or if you like want to oil your scalp or anything while your wig is on. This is how the lace closure looks. You have your clips inside, and then you also have your adjustable band so that this wig can be worn glueless. Another really great thing about this hair is the lace. So as y'all can see, this lace has already been pre-cut. I did not do this. This lace came like this, y'all. So it's super beginner friendly for those of you that have issues cutting your lace, or if you just want a wig that you can just literally wear and go, this is it. So I want to show y'all how easy and how quickly this is to install. And this is how it looks straight out of the pack. Now, y'all know that I like to go in, clean up my hairline a little bit, define my curls, or redo my curls a little bit because these curls are really defined. But just so y'all can see, I do want to show you guys that there was some pre-plucking done to this hairline. So you don't really need to do any extra plucking unless you just like really want to. The hairline looks pretty good. The lace even looks good. I am going to put a band on. No glue. Like I said, no glue, no hairspray or anything. I'm going to put my band on just to like melt it into my skin a little bit and then put a little bit of bronzer around the edges so that you can't really see this. But this is truly going to be a glueless install. So let me go ahead and do what I do to the hair and then I'll come back and show y'all how it looks. Okay, y'all, so I am back. So I did go ahead and use my band to just like secure the lace down to kind of like melt it into my scalp better. Like I told y'all, I did not use any glue. I did not use any Got2b hairspray or anything to like make this lace stick down. And just to show y'all that I didn't use anything, I'm gonna lift this up off of my head so y'all can see it's not attached. There's no type of adhesive, and I can easily like run my comb right up under there. Like there's nothing that is holding my wig down as far as adhesive goes. Now I do have the adjustable band in the back if you're like me and don't want to use any glue, and you can see my wig is not going anywhere. Okay, so like you guys saw straight out of the package, you don't need to cut any lace off of this wig. I did not go in and pluck this wig at all. I literally just put it on my head, kind of combed this part back a little bit, and then put on my band just to like make sure it was laid in the front how I wanted it to be. I didn't cut any baby hairs or anything. This wig is literally ready to wear. It was super duper easy. So if you're a beginner or if you're somebody that just doesn't really want to spend a lot of time on a wig or on doing your hair, this is perfect for you. Super quick to literally just throw on and go. And like I said, super beginner friendly. I promise you, if you've never worn a wig before, this is the wig for you to get. I promise, it's so easy. Now, that's not to say that you can't glue this wig down. You absolutely can if you want to. I just want to to let y'all know that you don't have to with this wig because it's perfect as is. Like, you don't have to do anything extra to it. Now, as far as the curls go, y'all did see me like kind of brush through the curls, and then all I sprayed in it, in this bottle, all that's in here is water, and I just sprayed it down. Once it was damp, I brushed through it with like a detangling brush, and this is how the curls came out. I didn't put any conditioner in it. I didn't put any mousse in it. Usually I do like to use mousse with my curls, but this time I decided I didn't want to because I did want it to be like a little bit more frizzy and not as defined. Like, you can see the curls toward my face are a little bit more defined, but I didn't use any mousse on that either. But I think it came out so nice. And for this to be a 150% density, I feel like the hair is pretty full. Now, I will say that I did cut a couple of layers in the front so you can see, like, just to frame my face a little bit more so that it wouldn't all just be one length. I did cut some layers, and I feel like that added to the fullness. So that's what I did. And the hair is still very long, very soft. It wasn't tangled at all. Now, I did experience a little bit of shedding, but nothing too crazy. So yeah, that's it for this hair. If you guys have any questions at all about this wig, then please leave them down below in the comment section. Thank you again to UNice for sponsoring today's video and for sending this hair over for me to review. And I want y'all to know that anytime I review any hair that's sent to me, my opinions are my opinions. They're not influenced one way or the other. I'm gonna let y'all know if the hair is good or if it's not, like, straight up. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching today. And if you like these type of videos, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and make sure you have your post notifications turned on so that you don't miss it anytime I upload a new video. And I will see y'all in the next one. All right, bye.